It's Nelson from TechGeekNelson.com, and in this video I'm going to be talking about this custom-made case from toastmade.com. This is the Google Pixel 3 XL, and you can see that it's customized with the Spider-Man from Homecoming. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I installed this cover on the phone, and I'm going to go over if it's worth it. And I've been using it for about a month or so, and I'm going to tell you guys my experience with it so far. So putting the cover on your phone or any other device is pretty simple. The first thing you got to do is clean your phone with the 2 alcohol pads that comes inside of the package. It's really simple. Be sure you get a good clean out of it. Make sure there's no dust, fingerprints, or anything like that. After you clean your phone, then peel off the back and line it up with your phone. Then you push down, and that's it. So one mistake I made was I put the cover on top of a cloth, and the glue from the cover kind of got stuck to some of the lints, but that's okay. It was pretty easy to come off, especially when I caught it really quickly. But yeah, just be careful where you put the cover. Put it on a hard surface, a hard, clean surface. Avoid that mistake that I made. I know it can be a little bit intimidating trying to figure out if the cover is lined up perfectly on your phone, but I wouldn't worry too much because as soon as you push it down, you have a few seconds to adjust it and make sure it's just right. Make sure it's not covering anything. Make sure the camera is okay. Making sure your microphone is not covered. You definitely want to check to make sure everything is lined up kind of perfectly. As you can see with my cover, it's not lined up 100% perfect, but it still looks fine and it's not blocking anything, and overall I am pretty happy with the results. So the process is the same for the front and for the buttons, and once it's all done, it looks pretty damn good. You can appreciate the little details, especially on the corner. It looks really awesome, and this is made from real wood. I don't know how they do it, but it looks amazing. So now let's talk about customization. When I first got the email about Toastmade, I was really intrigued that I can send them an image and they would laser engrave it on the cover. They pretty much said any image, I can send it to them and they will laser engrave it on the cover. So I spent about a day or two searching Google for images. Being in New York, I ended up going with Spider-Man from Homecoming. Not because that's my favorite movie, but just overall because Spider-Man is kind of my favorite Marvel character. And it just looks pretty cool to have on your phone. So you can get really creative with this. If you're a company or like a content creator, you can put your logo on this. You can put a picture of a loved one on it. You can put text. You can put like a motivational quote, or I don't know. You can get really creative. And if you look on the Instagram page for Toastmade, there's some really amazing examples. And finally, let's talk about protection, because this cover is not a case. It doesn't offer that much protection when you drop your phone. Last night I was at the movies and my phone fell out of my pocket. I instantly panicked. I thought, oh damn, my Pixel 3 is shattered. It is definitely broken. I don't even want to look at it. I picked it up from the floor and it was fine. There's not a single scratch on it. I've been using this cover for about 3 weeks now and there's no signs of usage. There's some lint on it, but that's fine. That's because I had it in my pocket or I had it in my bag. But other than that, there's no damage. There's no sign of excessive use. But you do got to worry about dropping it, and I am a little bit worried about it because I know that if I drop it on a concrete floor, it probably won't survive. So that's kind of a drawback. This cover looks amazing, and it's a great conversation starter, but you do got to worry about protection. And for those of you that use wireless charging, it still works even with the cover from Toastmade. So that is it for this video. If you liked the video, be sure to hit like. I hate saying that, but you kind of have to say it, and hit that subscribe button. Got a bunch more videos coming soon. Let me know in the comments what you guys think and what do you guys want me to review next.